My role is as a support worker for people with learning disabilities. They come into respite for short stays, giving their families a bit of respite themselves then, and I'm here just to support them in their daily life, really. I do personal care, prepare meals, support individuals to participate in preparing their own meals. We go out to different venues, perhaps a meal now and then, a walk down to Aberavon or down to Porthcawl, it's quite often, stopping for ice cream. Basically that's really my day. The way I became a support worker was, my wife was doing some work with social services and they were looking for volunteer drivers. So I said, yeah, I'll pop along and do it. And that was about 28 years ago. So I started off as a driver, progressed around to day services. I've worked in accommodation and in respite now, so I've just moved along really within the service. The best part of my job is enabling people to reach their full potential, I suppose, and seeing them move on and progress in life. And the people I work with are very supportive as a team. We get on really well. It does help to have a sense of humour, which gets you through the day sometimes, and supporting the other staff members. We all get on pretty well because you're all aiming for the same goals really. It's a good team, we work really well together. During my career in social care, I was at one time a level 2 day service officer, running a little project for people with learning disabilities. And I sort of stepped down from there then, and I'd come down to a sort of social care worker now. In another year then, and I'll be retiring. What I like about what I do is the hands-on working with people and seeing them grow really as people, as individuals. Obviously I've come across some challenging situations in my career, but you work through all that, you see the person gaining experience and confidence. It's just great to see people moving on and just enjoying life.
I like it here, I love it, and your staff, and you. I like to go out all the time. I like to go for a walk with Tom. I like Tom help me cleaning dress. We watching Batman and Robin.
What I would say to somebody who's thinking about a career in care work is, come and give it a go. You don't know until you've actually tried it. The major part of your job is being with the individuals really, and working alongside them. Yeah, I love it. I'd recommend it to anyone really. It's been really good.